Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? Please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel with the bell. Today I am showing you how to get glowing skin at home. Instant result. We all need is turmeric powder and yogurt. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Roast it on medium flame until it's brown. Please like my video. Also give your feedback in your comment. If you are new person, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. So finally it's roasted. Yogurt and roasted turmeric powder. Take pinch of turmeric powder. Add 2 teaspoon of yogurt. Mix, mix, mix. So finally it's mixed. Apply this on our face for 20 minutes. It's 1-day challenge, skin brightening at home. This remedy is very good. You guys must try it. It gave instant result. Allah Hafiz.